Okay, so we've got a giant Ferris wheel that's in London, right on the. I can't think what the name of the river it's on is, but it's a big Ferris wheel, and you can ride on it. It takes forever to go around, so you better have some time if you're going to go there and visit. It says the tallest Ferris wheel in Europe with a diameter of 120. So this is the first one I've seen. This is not an IV problem specifically, but it's a real life arc angle problem that I look for. So the radius is 60. The passenger capsules are attached to the circumference of the wheel, and the wheel rotates at 26 centimeters per second. So first of all, this is meters, that's centimeters, all right? So it rotates that far each second. So it says, what angle would a person have traveled if they moved across approximately 26 meters? All right, so it moves 0.26 meters every second. And that's because there are 100 centimeters in a meter, so I did 26 divided by 100. All right, so if they moved 26 meters, I'm going to divide that by 0.26 to figure out how many seconds they were moving for. So 26 divided by 0.26. So they're moving for 100 seconds. I don't know if anybody didn't know that, but I know it now. So 100 seconds. I actually didn't need to know that because the formula, it says here, circumference, and then it says how far would they have traveled. That's an arc length. So sometimes these problems do when cold like this, I have to really think about them out loud. So you hear what I'm thinking about. So theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So like I said, the seconds didn't matter at all unless it asked me for something like that. Just make sure that they're in meters and meters. So let's see. The angle I don't know, which is going to be a little different in this one. I know they traveled 26 meters. I don't know the angle, but I do know the radius. So it's going to be, I'm going to change this to an x over 360. 2 pi times 60 equals 26. All right. Now I do some solving here. So first of all, let's kick out the 2, the pi, and the 60. And I'm literally going to type this into the calculator. So I'm going to get x over 360 equals 26 on top, 2 times pi times 360 in the bottom. So it's 0.011 blah, blah, blah. They got to think here, fraction is division. So to get rid of division, the best way is to do multiplication. You could do a cross multiplication here, but I don't really think that's necessary. So I'm just going to multiply that decimal that I just got times 360. So 360 times that decimal right there means I move 4.14. All right, so this could add, and if it's an IV question, it would probably then ask, so how long would it take to move all the way around the outside or something different like that in addition to this? But this is the kind of question that IV does like to ask, something where you really got to kind of think about it to work your way through. So that's much, much harder than the first ones. So don't stress out if you can't get that one right yet. Come back to it and try it again later.